Custom officials in the West region, during an operation carried out in Bouda, dismantled a clandestine drug manufacturing factory located in Tingwe.
C'est fabriqué, parce que là c'est l'équipe, vous voyez les filles là, c'est ça ici, et c'est ça qu'il met dans pour les injections.
The factory was involved in the recycling of illegal pharmaceutical products and expired drugs.
Nous sommes là dans un domicile qui servait de...
This residence served as a laboratory for the recycling and manufacturing of expired medications and other harmful drugs.
Le repos n'a aucun homme qui sont un véritable danger pour la population.
Before the medications are sold in the market, they are stocked in a magazine which harbours pigs. Everything here is expired. Oh, even pig feed is mixed with the expired medications. Thanks to their good information network, the custom departments of the West region were able to destroy dangerous factory. This was in the presence of the senior divisional officer of Bamboo Tools. We discovered a factory with expired drugs. They include asthma, malaria medications. I must tell you, these drugs are deadly and can destroy one's health.
Des médicaments périmés qui peuvent aller plutôt causer la mort aux Camerounais au lieu de les guérir.
Despite the government's efforts in the fight against the sale of contraband drugs, the activity continued to gain grounds across the national territory. However, the head of the Customs Department, West Region, decried the non-collaboration of the population.
Il est quand même inadmissible qu'un certain nombre de pratiques, d'opérations se font sans que même les voisins disent ne pas être au courant.
This operation is in line with the fight against the trafficking of contraband drugs in Cameroon.